Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Over the past several years, the topic of survival and being a prepper has seen a huge increase in popularity. This has spawned many survival guides and programs. The problem is that most of these are just untested theory, and some of them are downright ridiculous with tips on how to survive a zombie attack, among other such nonsense. In reality, natural disasters, terrorist threats, and food shortages are much more likely than a situation that resembles The Walking Dead. Easy Seller is one of the best-selling survival guides on the market right now. It has sold thousands of copies and has numerous positive reviews. Written by survival expert Tom Griffith, this book is extensive and comprehensive. It covers a wide range of very important and relevant topics to ensure you have that edge to survive when things go sideways. The information included here is in-depth and varied enough to make this an excellent reference guide for any survival enthusiast, regardless of experience. The question is Easy Seller worth the purchase? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. There's a lot of good things to say about Easy Seller. One of the biggest selling points of Easy Seller is that it teaches you how to build an actual bunker. Most survival guides only mention stockpiling food and supplies in your own home, but Easy Seller takes it to the next level. And you'll definitely be better prepared by having a plan B, because putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Easy Seller also teaches you food preservation techniques such as preserving meats and more. In the event of an EMP, electromagnetic pulse, attack, all your electronic items will be rendered useless. Your refrigerator will no longer be able to keep your perishable foods safe. During times like these, what you learn in Easy Seller will help you to make your food supplies last without a fridge. What else is included with Easy Seller? The program also includes video instructions to better explain things. This gives you both the written word and visual explanations to guide you, which is an excellent way to learn. How about maintaining an adequate supply of water? The importance of water can never be overestimated. Easy Seller will show you how to store enough water so that your family and you will never run short during a crisis. This information alone is priceless. Still got more questions? Follow me to the next video where I've got more answers. So you might be asking, what about protecting my homestead from intruders? Easy Seller will help you stay safe from looters and intruders when law enforcement collapses during a crisis. If your house is unsafe during a hurricane, the bunker that Easy Seller shows you how to build will keep you safe. So are the guides provided by Easy Seller easy to follow? All the information in this book is simple and easy to follow. The conversational tone in the book keeps it interesting while being informative. It covers many different aspects of survival. There are tips here that will be of use to the most experienced preppers too. Do any bonuses come with Easy Seller? This product also has 2 free bonuses: 56 items to stockpile in your Easy Seller and America's Natural Nuclear Bunkers. Find the closest one to your home. Both of these bonuses are excellent and highly useful. Are there any guarantees with Easy Seller? Of course. Easy Seller has a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not pleased with it, there is no risk. You can always ask for a refund. This makes buying Easy Seller today a no-risk proposition. Sound too good to be true? Follow me to the next video for some things you should know before you buy. Time for an Easy Seller reality check, okay? No product is perfect for everybody. There is a lot of information to digest in Easy Seller, and it can be overwhelming. You'll need to read it slowly and take it one step at a time. Do not toss it aside because there's too much information to cover. Even reading 10 pages a day will help you finish the book in no time at all. You also have to be willing to be a doer. Knowledge alone will not suffice. You need to follow the instructions and take action. This bunker will not build itself, and you'll learn best with hands-on experience. So be prepared to do some work to be prepared. Also, you can only purchase Easy Seller online, which means you'll need a computer and an internet connection to make and access your purchase. We're almost there. Follow me to the next video for some final words about Easy Seller. All things considered, if being prepared for disaster is your goal, then Easy Seller is your solution. If you are a survivalist or prepper and you want to be ready for any crisis or catastrophe, you definitely should consider getting Easy Seller today. The information contained inside is extremely useful and reliable. Plain and simple, this is real-world information that works. The best time to prepare for a future disaster is now. Getting Easy Seller today will mean that you can start working on your bunker and other survival tasks to ensure that you're better prepared for any eventual disaster. This book is one of the best investments in prepping you could ever make. Easy Seller is ready to go. Are you? Look for more information about Easy Seller in the description below this video or on this page.
Click the link in the description to download the program.